What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here we have a SOARFLY Cordless Impact Wrench. This wrench has 738 foot-pounds of power, and it comes with two 21-volt batteries right here. 4 amps, 21 volts, 1 to 2 hours of charge time, and then that will give you 2 hours of play time. That's with 2 batteries. And then you have 6 different sizes of impact sockets right here, from 14 millimeters all the way to 22 millimeters. Nice and neat in the foam. If I was you, I would just leave it just like this in the foam. Have a wrist wrap right here, just in case you up high and you don't want it to fall. Boom, right there on your wrist. And if you don't want this, you can just easily cut it off if you don't want it on. But you could just leave it like that. It's not going to harm you. You have the charger right here. This is for your batteries. Okay, charge up your batteries right there. Put this in there, charge it up. But we already have life. Forward, reverse, in the middle. That's your safety, so nothing will happen. You got 3 variable speeds on here, so you have high, medium, and low. Just keep hitting your power button, and then high, medium, low. 14 millimeter, 17 millimeter, 18 millimeter, 19 millimeter. Then it goes to 21 and 22 millimeter. All right, you guys, so my car is a 19 millimeter. You get a ring, and then you get the pin. So what you want to do is just put your ring on. Once you put the ring on, put the socket in, pin. Once you got that, then you put the ring on, and then it will keep it locked. All right. I was on the brake reverse. Brake reverse is just braking it, and it stops. And then you got continuous reverse. You have to hit the power again. Once you hit the power again, you're on continuous reverse. Just like that, nice and easy. All right, you guys, I'm still using a 19. This is custom. If y'all have any other question and comments, put it in the comment section. But right here you have, so right there on the side, there you go. Nice gray and black color scheme. Comes with sockets, the rings, the pins, everything that you need. 3 variable timings, high, medium, low. 2 batteries, 4,000 milliamps, 1 to 2 hour charge time, 2 hours of use. And that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.